Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video you have already known about the concepts of clock and I have also given you few sums. In this video I will carry on with the sums. Next question. A watch gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes. A watch gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes and was set right at 8 a.m. Okay. A watch gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes and was set right at 8 a.m. The next part of the question, if it shows 5:15 in the afternoon on the same day, if it shows 5:15 in the afternoon on the very same day, then the main question comes here, then what is the correct time? So this is the question. A watch gains 5 seconds in 3 minutes and was set right at 8 a.m. If it shows 5:15 in the afternoon on the same day, then what will be the time? Okay. Now coming to the answer. We already know, according to the question, it is 5 seconds in 3 minutes. Right. So the watch is gaining 5 seconds in every 3 minutes. That is already given in the question. So with that very same logic, we can say that it is 1 minute in 36 minutes. Right? 1 minute in 36 minutes according to the very same logic. Okay. Now if you have understood this much, then I will proceed on to the next part. You have to understand this calculation first. Now from 8 a.m. to 5:15, that is 8 a.m. to 5:15. Right? This is the time given. I am writing here the given part. The incorrect watch has moved for 9 hours and 15 minutes. Right? The incorrect watch has moved to 9 hours 15 minutes according to the wrong watch. Okay, because the question is already saying about the wrong watch. Now 9 hours 15 minutes is 5 minutes. I am doing direct calculation here. You can even multiply it and then do. When the incorrect watch moves for 37 minutes, correct watch moves for 36 minutes. Right? That is the calculation. Now when the incorrect watch moves for 1 minute, correct watch moves for 36/37 minutes. Right? As per the ratio calculation, that is a unitary method, I'm talking about. So 1 is equals to 36/37. Now when the incorrect watch moves for 5 minutes, correct watch moves for 36/7 into 5. Right? That is for 5 minutes, it will move for 36/7 into 5 minutes. Okay. Now you can do the calculation here or with the calculator, but I will do it directly. That is 36 into 15 minutes. I do not have space below, so I am writing here, so you will be able to see. So that will be 36 into 15 minutes, which is equals to 9 hours. Now 9 hours from 8 a.m. is 5 p.m. So the correct time is 5 p.m. The correct answer is 5 p.m. This is the answer. Okay. Now I am sure you would have heard the proverb or the saying which is very famous, that even a broken clock is right twice a day. Now I'll say you, however, a clock which gains or loses a few minutes might not be the right or showing the right time twice a day or even once a day. It would be right when it had gained or lost exactly 12 hours. So I'm not, contradicting on the proverb, but the fact is actually this. Okay. So you can take a screenshot of this. I will move on to the next sum. I will erase this. I have already written down the next question for you all. At what time between 5 to 6 o'clock both hand of the clock forms right angle for the second time? Now this is the question. We are provided with 4 options. Let me write down the options for you all. First is 43, 5 by 11 past 5. Next is 43, 7 by 11 past 5. The third is 40 minutes past 5. And the last option is 45 minutes past 5. Okay. So these are the 4 options. 43, 5 by 11 past 5. 43, 7 by 11 past 5. 40 minutes past 5. 45 minutes past 5. Now after this, I will begin with the solution. Now, according to the previous videos, you already know that there is one formula. That is T is equals to 2 by 11 into T is equals to 2 by 11 into H into 30 plus minus A. Right? This is the formula. So H you know is the first hour and A is the angle. Right? T is the time. So I'll just write it here so you won't have any problem. T is equals to time. H is equals to the first hour. And A stands for angle. Okay. Now here the angle is already told. That is the right angle. So the right angle means 90 degree. Right? Time we are finding out. And the first hour is already given as 5 o'clock. Right? So we have all the necessities, that 2 by 11 into H into 30 plus minus A. Right? So 2 by 11 into H, that is 5, into 30 plus minus A, that is 90. Right? Now since it is plus and minus, I will assume 2 figures. That is T1 for plus and T2 for minus. Okay. So that comes to 2 by 11 into 150 plus minus 90. Right? Now that will come to 300 plus minus 180 by 11. Okay. So with both the figures, I will get 300 plus 180 by 11 and 300 minus 180 by 11. Okay. These are the 2 figures that I am getting. Since I don't have space here, I will move to the upper portion. Please try and adjust. So the plus figure will give me 43 7 by 11. This is the figure for the positive one, and for the negative one I am getting 10 by 11. That is the mixed fraction. Okay, I have calculated this. If you have problem, you can calculate it and the simple calculation, and you can get the answer. So for the positive one I am getting this, that is for T1, and this is for T2. So T1 stands for 43 7 by 11 and T2 stands for 10 by 11. So if I can tally with the answers, see the second option, 43 7 by 11. So 43 7 by 11 past 5 is my correct option. Okay, I have already got the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. This is the answer. Okay. Please take a snap of this. So I will move on to the next question. I will erase this before that. The next question that we are going to discuss is a little bit different than the ones that we have already done. Okay, so please pay attention. I'm writing down the question for you all. I have already written down the question for you all. Please follow. The reflex angle between the hands of a clock at 10:25 is the question. Now you are provided with 4 options. The first option is 180 degree. Second option is 195 degree. Third option is 192.5 degree. And the fourth option is 197.5 degree. These are the 4 options that is provided to us. I'll read out it again. The reflex angle between the hands of a clock is 10:25. Of a clock at 10:25 is 180 degree, 195 degree, 192.5 and 197.5. Now, at 10:25 minute hand will be at 5 and the hour hand will be some forward from 10 to 5 minutes space. That is 25 minutes. And we know that 1 minute is equals to 6 degrees. Right? This is already known from the previous videos if you had followed. Therefore, 25 minutes is equals to 25 into 6, that is 150 degrees. Right? 25 into 6, that is the unitary method I have followed. Now, the distance covered by the hour hand in 1 minute is half degree. Right? Therefore, in 25 minutes, it will be 25 into half, that is 12.5. 12.5 degrees. The angle between both the hands, now, which I am going to calculate. 150 degrees plus 12.5 degrees. That is 162 degrees. Right? So I have got 162 degrees. Okay. Now, calculating the reflex angle. 360 degrees minus 162.5 degrees. Sorry, I have forgotten to write 0.5. 360 minus 162.5 gives us 197.5 degrees. Right? We have to calculate the reflex angle here to obtain the answer. So 360 degree minus 162.5 degrees gives us 197.5 degrees or 197.5 degrees. So you see, this is already matching our option, that is 197.5 degrees. So this is my correct answer. So the answer will be option D. This is the answer. Okay. Just take a snap of this. I hope the video was clear enough. You have understood all the sums I have taught. There is actually no problem. It was actually taught in very simple language. The explanation I gave was also very simple. I have done a lot of sums. Okay. So if you have any problem regarding this, you can follow this video. I'm sure you will find value from this. And you are students who are preparing for various competitive exams, so don't leave out this topic. This is a topic where you can expect questions to come from. 2 to 4 questions can come easily from this clock chapter for various exams that I already discussed. So if you think you're weak in logical reasoning or you want a revision for logical reasoning, definitely follow this video. I have given you clear concepts about this chapter clock, and sums are also there. You can definitely practice and revise. Okay. So I will end my video here. I hope the clock chapter was clear enough to you all. So follow this if you require. Definitely like this, and I hope you will find benefit from it. So ending my video here. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.